everyone, welcome to Vietnam.
This is our 20th country and we are right now a serial traveler because we travel back to back 3 countries for the first time.
True. So we have reached Vietnam yesterday, but to give you a backstory, we flew here to Hanoi from Luang Prabang yesterday night and reached here at 10 o'clock, super late, and today is our first full day at Hanoi.
So let's start with the breakfast and the room tour.
So we booked for a double deluxe room. This is the one.
And we stayed here last night. We came very late yesterday. They had a free upgrade available, so we took that one.
So let us grab all our stuffs and show you. Welcome to our stay in Vietnam, the upgraded one. So once we entered, this room is actually very spacious compared to the one which we booked for. This is a queen size bed and this is our wardrobe situation. On this side we have a, what do you call this, to keep your bags, and here again we have some storage places. They have given us slippers. This is mini bar. If you are using anything out of it, the snacks and all, it's chargeable, as well as whatever is in the mini fridge, it's also chargeable. And on this side we have a couch. This side you have a table, a mirror, a TV on that side.
Here maybe Vivi.
Coming towards this, we have the washroom. It's a wash basin, commode, and this is the shower come bath situation. So yeah, that's all. So now let's go and have our breakfast. Here it's kind of a small buffet, so you can take few savory items and fruits by yourself, and there is 6-set breakfast menu, out of which you can order anything live from the kitchen.
And as we are still in Banana Pancake Trail, we got banana pancake. We are right now at the hotel reception, just checking the Halong Bay prices. Halong Bay prices, 1 day activity. So let's see how much hotel has to offer us with the discount. So first order of business, getting money from the ATM. The ATM charge is 55,000 Vietnamese dong. In the airport it was 60,000. That's why I thought we will withdraw the money in the city. And we got the SIM in the airport itself. That was 350,000 dong, which was around $14 US dollars. So that is 6 GB per day for 20 days. We are staying here maybe around 2 weeks. You can get the transport Grab. Grab is very famous here and it's cheaper as well. There is also one app called InDrive, but it's cash only. So ATM, we are again using WiseCard because WiseCard will give you proper exchange rate. We use it every single country. If you are watching our video from beginning, every single country.
Somehow I got this. This woman was selling and she gave me one free to eat, and now I got a packet of this. 50,000.
Withdrew cash. We are now millionaire in Vietnam. This is 1 million. We withdrew 6 million.
Wow.
Actually 3 million was maximum we can withdraw, so I withdraw mine from my card, Wise card again. 3 million from her card, 3 million. So 6 million right now. Let's go.
Fun fact about Vietnam, this is actually the second largest coffee exporter in the world after Brazil. So we will definitely try out some coffees, and coffee lovers, this is a heaven for you.
Yeah, and right now we are in the center square of this Hanoi city, just opposite to the lake. Hanoi actually means city of lake.
Yeah, we are standing right in front of a lake, and in this scorching heat, lakes and greeneries are the ones which makes the heat bearable, and the city is buzzing actually with so many scooters. It has more than 5 million scooters. So our very first spot for today's day is this famous square. In every Vietnam video, the opening will be a time lapse from this square, and I know I have given that. In this square, it's a very casual place where locals hang out and vendors sell you different items, and it's a nice lake to enjoy the cool breeze, and different coffee shops. Like wherever eyes can see, I can see like coffee shops everywhere. You can also take different city tours here, the hop on hop of bus tour, and also there is a famous rickshaw, red rickshaw kind of thing, which tourists always hop on to take a 1-hour ride across Hanoi city.
The hop on hop of bus tour, it's 150,000 a day.
Thank you. No, come on.
Come on.
This is
50,000.
actually a new thing. Like apart from the Hopper Nopper bus, they do like mini bus tour as well. And currently, maybe it is off season, it's 50% off. What's the price?
100,000.
Another option to do a city tour is this green electric buggies, like the electric vehicles. So right in the center of this Kiem Reg, in this capital city of Vietnam, Hanoi. This is the Joc Son Temple. I might be pronouncing it wrong. I like the name here. And the entry fee for this temple is 50,000 Vietnamese dong.
50,000 each, 100,000 for two.
This has been built in the 18th century, and one Kiem Lake has a mythical importance in Vietnamese culture. First of all, this lake is green all the year round, and this is known as the Lake of the Returned Sword because in the 15th century, when King Le Thai defeated the Ming dynasty and then came here, he was boating in this lake, and it has been believed that suddenly one golden turtle came up and took his sword and grabbed it down under the water to return it to the rightful deity. That's how a turtle is preserved here, and which was weighing more than 250 kilos that time. Turtle has a significant importance in this temple, and the lake is known as the Lake of the Returned Sword.
And this has been made with original flowers. Very impressive.
In this temple in Hanoi, women should cover their shoulders, and they were giving out free shirts kind of thing which you can wear to go inside the temple.
This European architecture, that's a Uniqlo shop.
As you know us, we're the local food eaters, always eat local food. This is the local food of Vietnam, KFC.
It's so hot outside. That's why like in KFC we are taking our time and eating our lunch. We met with an Australian family who are visiting Southeast Asia from Sydney, and she told me that they are in Vietnam for the last 20 days and today has been the hottest day. And we just came yesterday night, so for us this is first time experiencing Vietnam and it's so hot. But the locals are really nice. Like we have been to KFC in multiple cities in many countries, and this is the very first time when we entered, somebody from KFC told us that welcome to KFC. This has never been in US or Canada or anywhere in the world. Our hotel owner, they upgraded our room, and every time we are going out and we're coming inside the hotel, they're holding the door for us. So really the locals are very nice here in Vietnam. So day one is going good. Finger licking is good.
So we are buying magnets from this shop.
60,000 BND, and we found out while giving the money that our 500,000 note from ATM, it was torn almost half. Owner of that shop, the magnet shop, he used tape, sellotape, and he just made it look like new one. Vietnamese people, they are very friendly, very helpful. This whole street smells so nice. There's so many spices. This whole street is actually spice shop.
So our hotel manager, she told us that few days back the president of Vietnam had died, and that's why many market and stores are closed until Sunday in Hanoi. Halong Bay tours and all, they are operational, but for few days mostly the markets are closed.
Whatever is open, we'll show you guys and we'll see ourselves as well.
It's crossing the roads and everything is feeling like we are back in India.
Back in Kolkata, baby.
So after lunch, we were almost dead by the sun. Like it was so hot. Like it's literally, we felt the hottest in our whole Southeast Asia trip. So we went home, and it was a good decision actually, because after that it started pouring like hell.
So much rain,
It rains badly.
In Vietnam, in Hanoi, the footpath, it's not for footpath. If you see in the footpath, they have restaurants, they have bike, they have everything. Not people. You can't walk on footpath. You just have to walk on the Main street,
road, and
yeah.
there are millions of scooters.
Yeah, it's very dangerous.
By now it's 6 p.m. So we got out and we have a couple of things to do today. So let's go to our very first spot. It's a very famous one. Oh, I'm just crying my sweats off. So we are at the most Instagram famous train street, which is nothing but a train line in between the local shops, and this has become such a tourist hotspot that right now they have closed parts of the section and there is a huge fine if people crosses that line, but the train I think runs twice a day. I'm glad that we didn't come during that rush hour. This is how it looks. If you want, you can visit it. Otherwise, you can just visit any train line in any Southeast Asian countries, including India. It's basically the same. I think this has a pro and con. Pro wins, all these local shops has splurged a lot. There are so many cafes and tea shops that has opened up. There's so many local business that has grew up. But the sad part is over tourism. That's everywhere now.
In this hot weather, now it's sugarcane rush. Only 10k, they will provide you this much sugarcane with ice in it. Let's see. Perfect for this weather.
We are at Cafe Giang. So this cafe has a particular story behind it. During the year 1946, during the French War, Giang, the name of the person, he was actually a bartender in the Sofitel Hotel. Vietnamese coffees is always popular, but there was a milk shortage and they were not able to find condensed milk. And so to suppress the issue, this person came with an idea and used egg instead, egg white actually, as a substitute of condensed milk. And that egg white with the Robusta beans created a new flavor which everybody liked and it became a hit. And so he opened his own restaurant, this one, in 1946, and right now I think his son operates this one, and this is the origin of the Vietnamese egg coffee. So we ordered one hot and one ice egg coffee, the classic ones. It's 35,000 Vietnamese dong per coffee. So let's see how ande ka coffee hota hai. And one of the most unique speciality of Vietnam is everywhere you go, be it the street vendors or mostly all the restaurants like this one itself, because cute little stools to sit on. It's hardly maybe a foot length. You really will feel like you're a giant in this small little world. So this is the hot egg coffee, this is the iced one, and they have put hot water in this bowl to keep the coffee warm. It's very creamy. I have no idea what to expect. Wow! If you have ever eaten tiramisu cake, just a liquid version of tiramisu, it tastes actually like that. It's really good, like no stink, nothing regarding egg. It's a really nice coffee.
So as you can see, there is not much rush in this cafe today because this is evening now. We came in the evening because we knew that in the morning it would be so much rush.
In this ATM, you don't have to pay any ATM charges. I already paid 49,500 ATM charges for each transaction.
This is a recycling ATM. It's a green one, but that's why I think there is no ATM charges. So it's good. We just withdraw again some million dongs. No charge. We are in the Hanoi Old Quarter area where we are staying as well. So this entire area is actually dating back to the 11th century when different artisans and merchants came together and started living and working on their arts and crafts. So currently there are more than 40 streets all dedicated to different local shops, and each street is specialized in a different particular product. Like some are for handicraft, some are for like bamboo work, some for spices. Every street has its own handicrafts and arts. So if you are coming at Hanoi the first time, definitely I think Old Quarter would be a good choice of place to start, because here you will feel the vibe of Hanoi being the oldest capital of Vietnam. And also the streets are known as craft streets because crafts everywhere.
So we don't have 7-Eleven in Vietnam, Hanoi, but we have here Circle K. So that's like convenience store. We are going now there for our water. Buy 2 get 1 free water bottle is there. Buy 2.
13,000 per bottle.
Yeah, 13,000 per bottle.
So we are right now at the street food section of Vietnam, which is the original local food, pho. They will eat like this.
Right across our hotel there is a local restaurant and this is always busy. Yesterday night also we came here. I think for the first time in our life that we had really struggled to order what we want to eat because she has no clue of what we were speaking and we had no clue of what she was speaking, and there is no menu to read and everybody knows what food they serve. We asked some locals to help us and it was so good, like on point. This is a particular lemon which they use and this is so juicy, and they give chilies on the side and there are different spice sauces. When you mix that, the pho tastes amazing and it's only 50,000 per bowl. So we have ordered the same thing. Today also we took the help of some locals sitting beside us. These are too spicy. Like if you don't eat much spice, don't try this. Let me have the first one. Amazing. Definitely when you are in Hanoi, try out the local stores where you will sit on the streets and have the best food of your life.
One of the local, he helped us create this sauce with chilies, powder and lemon. Let's see how it is.
You are supposed to take this one and mix here. Wow. We didn't knew this yesterday. This is actually good. Pork balls already has some spices in it, so it tastes good. But this one is bland. So we create this sauce and mix it. So good. And that ends day 1 of our Vietnam series. Hope you have enjoyed, and if yes, please subscribe and share this one with your friends and family.
And please press the like button and the bell icon to get further notification of our whole world trip, because tomorrow we are going to Halong Bay.
Yeah.
Till then,
Follow them, friends.
So in Hanoi, there's lots of vegan and vegetarian restaurants.
So if you are vegan and looking for vegan foods and vegetarian options,
This is the place for you.
it's massage time. We have given us welcome drink, tea and fruits. This spa was absolutely wonderful. And the price is reasonable, 250,000 for each, $500,000 for both of us.
$1 million massage ready.
So this was the deluxe room which we booked.
Sorry. Look at this. Did I broke it?
Yes. No. Yes. Maybe. Things we do, but taking the video.